going to be showing you how to design this um, soul line logo, which is simple. What it is the icon of a shoe, also the icon of the heart rate monitor line that you find in hospitals, and then some text at the bottom. But we've used the an offset path to cut out a shape in the shoe so we can add the sole line. So this is it's going to be fun. So let's just get into it. Now, what we're going to do, so you can either use the shoe to manually make the icon, which is what I done, or you can just find the free shoe icon off of free icon sites online. So offline, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the feature properly, or you can do what I'm about to do. I'm going to go to image trace and then continue grayscale so I can give both shapes. I know it's weird because it's not the same kind of shape. I just want to show you the concept. I'm going to go to group it. I'm going to use that to merge shape. But we're going to come here and complete this shoe shape because it goes in like that. We don't actually want it to go in like that. I'm just going to come and complete the shape. Logo with the pen tool, and that's that. Not complete the logo, complete the shape, and we're going to merge the shapes. Trying to take, trying to be really quick here. We're going to copy that, and same what we done there. We're going to copy this pink color. Same what we got done there with the shoe. I want you to do the exact same thing when finding the sole line, or unless you want to manually make it. So that's what I want you to do. Just find yourself a sole line, and then just go and do path. No, not path. Image trace, and then go to object and go to expand. Expand. So what we're going to do first now, this is how we finalize the other shape and gave it the multiple colors. Let me just see what's it going to look like. We're going to go to object, path, offset path. That's not the same amount of offset path that we use, but we're just going to use that much for today. And we cut that out, and then we went to not that, divide, make sure it's ungrouped, and then we can just come and color pick. And you can just print my screen and color pick from my screen, or you can use your own kind of color palette. The same goes with the gradient. And this is just really a simple, quick tutorial logo. Obviously, I can go into depth as to why certain colors were chosen and why we even made this logo, but that will be for another video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to, firstly, I just want to put a little dip over here. We're going to select there, curve just a little bit. There, see how that looks. Now, it's not getting the exact look that I wanted to get, but you see where we're coming through with that. But it could be fixed a little more. But I'm just gonna leave that idea now. We could stick with it. We could stick with it and tamper with it till you have the look of this shoe. But we're going to just get onto the text. Now the text, we're gonna type in. You can use any word. So I'm just gonna type use for month. Look at so line. Now we're gonna go create outline. At first, we're going to just duplicate that. Then we're going to go create outlines, and we're going to give it this gradient here. We're going to use the gradient tool to just straighten out the linear gradient. Actually, the other way around. So we're going to straighten out the linear gradient. Well, basically, there's our logo. I'm going to go to extra light demo. We're going to give it this color here, this pink color here. I'm going to go down. This is this is actually let's see. I'm going to look at the front. I'm going to I'm going to keep with mine. I'm going to give it some spacing, some tracking. Basically, what we're going to do is move this over here. Darker. Move our sneaker together. This one more time. And we have sneaker logo. It's a lot different to our original logo, but I kind of still like it. That's our Soul Line logo. One of my managers saying that he does not like the original logo and he likes the second logo. So that's up to you guys to discuss in the comments. Let us know how you fared in this logo challenge or this logo design tutorial. And send VROrangeFullStudios@gmail.com your logo concept and we will start viewing.